Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Please Contact iTunes support to complete this transaction in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of a message and your Apple ID that whenever you try to make any transaction, you find this type issue that you have to contact to Apple support or iTunes support to complete this transaction. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So very first we have to discuss about some possible fixes. So now you have to scroll down the control center and you just have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings, and after that, go for settings app from here, go for general, and go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that, go back from here. And you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue you have to go for Apple Support app in your iPhone, or you can also use Apple Support app. So you have to select your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, and you just have to select unable to purchase. And now just scroll down and look for the option of get more help. Tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from theirs. In this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.